Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Paula Katrina G. Gamboa, and I will be reporting e-governance in public administration. The objectives are to discuss about e-governance, to know the benefits of e-governance and the challenges of e-governance. What is e-governance? It is defined as a new form of administrative management through the practical use of communication methods such as the internet or other virtual spaces, or an alternative administrative pattern that includes management systems and policies. What is e-government? It is defined as utilizing the Internet and the World Wide Web for delivering information and services to citizens. It may also include using other information and communication technologies such as database, networking, discussion support, multimedia, automation, tracking and tracing, and personal identification technologies. Conceptual differences between e-governance and e-government. E-governance, it includes a more fundamental sharing and reorganizing of power across all sectors. It also covers every institution and and organization from family to the state, while e-government includes all the existing state processes to improve performance in services, are developing a collaborative and contractual relationship with non-state actors. It can use e-governance to improve administrative efficiency and reduce administrative corruption. Origin of e-governance. I will be browsing na lang po kasi madami to. Four types of interactions in e-governance: government to government or the G to G, government to citizen, G to C, government to business, G to B, government to employee, G to E. Government to government initiatives is the electronic sharing of data or information systems between the government agencies. The primary objective of government to government is to support the initiatives taken under e-governance services for improving the communication data, data sharing, and data accessing. It helps in making the implementation of government procedures in an effective and efficient manner. Government to citizen initiatives are the activities made by the government for delivering the online information and services to the citizens. Government to business initiatives, it is an initiative that has been taken to make an interaction between commercial business sector and the government for accessing online businesses information and services. And lastly, government to employee initiatives. It is the online facilities provided to the employees for applying leave, retrieving record for salary payment. The main objective of G2E is to bring the employees together and to improve knowledge sharing. It also enables the relationship between employees, government institutions, and their management. Four pillars of e-governance. We have process, people, technology, and resources. Process. As an e-government projects are rolled out across the country, people within and outside the government will play an increasingly important role in ensuring the success of these projects. The scale of transformation is huge and enormous resources, not only in terms of money, but also the expertise, skills, and commitment of the people will be required. Process. E-government is not just E-government is not just about the automation of manual records and existing processes. Rather, it is about transforming government processes and creating new relationships between the government and its citizens and businesses. A fresh set of process parameters and related workflow should be created without creating unmanageable and chaotic changes to maintain the consistency and sustainability of the process. Technology, it is the overall architecture and roadmap for e-government. And lastly, resources. New technologies demand new types of implementation models. Adapting conventional procurement methods would not take us on the path of e-government. In the conventional approach, The project ownership lies with the public sector itself, along with the responsibility for funding it and bearing the entire risk. Benefits of e-governance. It is an easy access to information and services, transparency and accountability. Um, E-governance has improved both transparency and accountability in the government. All the information is wide open to the public for access, and participation and e-democracy. Participation in public policies is an essential prerequisite for democracy. E-governance provides the tool for people to be involved and to express their concerns. Flexi-time and flexi-place. E-governance has added to the convenience of the clients, and it provides flexibility for the way in which administrators conduct their jobs. It allows flexible time and flexible place by allowing employees to take care of the business at any convenient time and place. It reduced paperwork and costs. No need to meet face to face to clarify information issues. Eliminate transportation costs. Required forms and information for services are easily accessible, and reducing the necessity for office spaces and other facilities. Reduction of corruption. In here we have the Anti-Red Tape Act. Expanded reach of governance and proper implementation of e-governance practices makes it possible for people to get their information through online where no need to visit the place directly. Challenges of e-governance. Improvement in efficiency. One of the challenges of in improvement in efficiency is the maintenance of effectiveness of digitalized governance. How to make the service both efficient and accessible to the public. Transparency and accountability. Public officials realize that their information can now be viewed by anybody with an internet connection. As a result, they realize the necessity of being accountable to the public. The developing countries lag behind with regard to making information available for the public, and some even try to suppress the availability of information. Large number of uneducated and poor people in developing countries, internet accessibility, and lack of education and computer literacy. Participation and e-democracy. The crucial challenge is how to allow the people to participate genuinely in the policy process. It, it also involves the challenges of information technologies. Flexible time and place pose challenges for the tasks that are interdependent and needs coordination across different agencies. Reduction of paperwork. One of our crucial challenge is being overwhelmed by the request from the clients for their services, since clients have the opportunity to send inquiries in about any issue with just a single click of a mouse. Security. Provide the One of the challenges is to provide the security from the intrusion of hackers and cyber terrorists. Privacy of information. Ensuring the privacy of information. Bureaucracy. Ensuring proper procedures in the delivery of services. Human connections. Lack of human connection as one encountered in face-to-face interactions. It can lead to abolition of personal relationships that characterize traditional interactions. Must be citizen-centered. One of the main problems of e-governance is that it is oriented toward educated, young, and computer-savvy people, reaching out to all the people rather than the privileged few. Social media, unverified information, and fake news. The challenges of local government. Lack of resources to develop the technology. Local governments tend to be risk averse and do not have the expertise to deal with complex problems which involve privacy, security, ensuring equitable access, hardware software savvy, changing the relationship between staff and citizen, and generating and maintaining public interest. E-governance and trust. If the opportunity for participation are blocked, this will have a negative impact on political trust. Training and learning. Learning phases receive the least amount of attention because organizational learning efforts are costly in terms of both time and effort. No proper training or learning, organization may face vulnerabilities. Leadership and governance. The dedication of leadership is crucial for implementation of policies to e-governance. Without commitment of the leadership to invest in technology, it will not be possible to achieve the goals of e-governance. That will be all po. Thank you.